Hey YouTube, this is David with Rogers Media Mindset. Uh, Getting back at you with a video, finishing up with reputation management. And what we're doing, what we did first was part one was about what reputation management is, how it looks from the Google search perspective, and this is actually the operations of reputation management when we're servicing a client within GoHighLevel. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and go into our sub account and click on reputation management. Um, Actually, what we're going to do, we have two types of outreach when it comes to review. One is an SMS review request, and the second we can send out is an email review request. In this particular instance, this example, we're just going to show an SMS review request. You can go ahead and if you want to upload an image to your SMS during the review, maybe a picture of the restaurant, remind them of where they ate, or a picture of your service, remind them, hey, this is what transpired, and you add that image right here. And but when we craft the message, what the message we want to craft is that, hey, you recently visited us, and we want your feedback. So it's a question: how was your experience? Okay. So what we're seeking is a positive review. We want them to review so that that review will populate our Google profile. So when someone looks at our Google profile, they'll see that we have a bunch of reviews and a bunch of stars, positive stars, 5 stars. So this right here is the crafting of that message. Send a review request immediately at once, or follow a custom schedule. Depending on how you want to do it, we can, send uh, review messages at our own discretion. So let's go take a look at another link which is important, which is reputation. Okay. And this is our overall stats regarding that. So if you scroll down to reputation in your sub account, you're going to see an overview of statistics showing the number of reviews received, the sentiment. Again, we want to make note of negative and positive responses. If there is a negative response, it will not be published, obviously, but we will reach back out to that customer saying, "Hey, sorry you had a bad experience. How can we do better?" But obviously, the majority of the ones we do publish will be positive reviews, and that detailed number of positive reviews would appear right there. Um, so if we wanted to manually, what I really brought you here to do is show you how to manually reach out. What's going to happen is we're going to get a list from our client, a list of previous customers who frequented, or who have customers who have used our service in the past, and we're reaching out to them for a review. That customer list can come from a POS system. It can come from a list that the Excel sheet, or any list that your client has um, is going to be sufficient for us to grab a review. So when we get that list inside of GoHighLevel, we'll click on that list, or just as an example, the name on the list, and we'll go here to send review requests. Go ahead and click on send review request, click proceed, and we're going to have the option of an SMS request or an email request. We're also going to have the action to add at once, or add as a scheduled timing, or a drip campaign, a drip mode. So this is going to allow us to uh, to reach out systematically to previous customers and get a review in the process. So that's what that looks like, a manual view of this process.